Squarespace's search block is terrible. It's just not fit for purpose. Hopefully soon they may actually update it. I don't know. But yeah, it's not great. That said, I've got loads of clients who say, Sam, I don't care whether it's terrible. I just need that search function on my site somewhere, which is fine. So what I want to do is show you how it looks initially, like straight off the bat. But I feel like for most people, it could do with a little bit of sexing up. It needs just a little bit of extra styling with CSS. And most of the time, I just go with a simple black underline or simple solid color underline on the search bar, just to make it look a bit cooler. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we have the site here, and I'm going to put a search block in the blog. So if I go in and then I add a section, we'll just add a blank section here, and then we will look for our search block. Now, that looks a bit crap. Let's put that as white, just so you can see it a bit better. And then we'll do the width as small. Okay. So this isn't going to win any awards for design, but it shows the search block. Now, if I go off and I search, watch what happens. If I look for blog post, it takes me to some random page where it'll show you all the search data. So it's not brilliant. Now, I think if you don't click enter, it might actually show the results underneath. Let's see what it does. Okay, it does. And it's made a bit of a fool of me because it's brought up all the data, but usually it brings up like really obscure search results that have nothing to do with what you've put in. So maybe they fixed it. Anyway, it's not the point of this video. I'm not here to whinge, even though I've done a load of it. What you want to do, so if we click Shift, Command, and C on Mac, we're going to bring up Google Chrome Developer Tools. And what we want to do is find the target, which should be search input. So we'll do search input like so, and we'll drop in to the CSS here. And then we'll say border, top, and then non-important. Border, left, non-important, and then I'll repeat that for right as well. Don't know why I typed that whole thing out. There we go. Okay, so now we've got the bottom, and I'm just gonna be lazy, copy and paste this, delete these two, and we'll say border, bottom, we'll do solid for PX, and there we go. We've got a bit more of a minimal search bar, a bit nicer styled. And if we want to be even fancier, we can put a color in the background. So if we take this here and we say background, we could put something in like red. That looks absolutely garbage, but you could put it in something like that's a bit lower, a bit more low key. So let's say, there we go. I mean, that's barely, you can barely see that, but it looks a hell of a lot better, in my opinion, than the native search block. Whilst it doesn't change any functionality, at least it looks a little bit better. Hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.